Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Tuesday morning haul. Tuesday morning haul. It's Saturday. Saturday the 18th, and my husband took me to Tuesday morning in Springfield. So thank you, honey. Okay, let's get into this haul. You're gonna kill me. So first thing I'm going to share with you is the boxed card set from All Heart Crate Paper, and this was $5.99. Now, I've never purchased these before, but I think I want to use these for my Memorydex cards. Even though, you know, they're meant for cards, I'm going to use them different. So let's see what kind we've got. I mean, it shows us on the back, but I still want to see it myself. And if you're hearing some rustling, that's my son. He has his friend over. They're playing, and they're right next door to me. So sorry for the noise. Sorry. This video might be a little long. So this is the first card, and oh yes, girly, double. So now I can take this, cut it in half, and use it twice. And I don't have to use my cardstock. Oh my gosh. I should have grabbed the Maggie Holmes. Now I'm kicking myself. Very pretty. I love the pink flowers. Oh, I love this. You are beautiful. You know, honestly, this is similar to the Maggie Holmes Sunny Days to me. It looks similar. The colors, the black and whites, that's so pretty. So now that I know, see? Now that I know, I could cut these suckers in half and double my use out of them. Oh, that's so pretty. Yay for today. That's so cute. So let's see. The other one was just plain. Okay. That's cute. And then you have the black and white stars. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Okay, guys. So that's what's in that card collection. You probably have already seen that, but there you go. I shared it with you. All right, and now for the paper clips. This is by American Crafts also. These are just little butterfly paper clips, and I got it for $2.49. Oh, and I had a coupon. So if you spent $75, you get 20 off. It's at $20 off, not 20%. You get $20 off. So yes, I made sure. So it sounds like a lot, but yeah. Anyway, I found some shaker stickers from Snow and Cocoa. Let me see. I'm so sorry. They had several, but since they were $2.99, I just went and got one of each. So you can see they're different. But they're both a Merry Days collection. So I got those two. I got some Snow and Cocoa wood veneers, $1.99 each, and they look like this. So this is all wood. I got two. They're the same. So I grabbed two of those. I did find a few of the Hooray collection. So let me just, oh, here's some more. Merry Days, I got Merry Days. So these two, and then I got the Star Garland. That's what it looks like. Just give you the rope, and then you have two different size stars, gold stars. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so the next thing I found, Snow and Cocoa, were the tassels. There was only one, so I grabbed this one. I was going to get two, but this is the only one they had, so I grabbed one of those. So you can see I gathered a few Snow and Cocoa and the Merry Days because during the holidays I had no chance to go up to Tuesday morning or go to Tuesday morning. So I found the pom-poms. I got two because they're $1.99. So I grabbed two of those. And let's see. Where did it go? Oh, I picked up one of these. There was only one of the, what are these? Mini doilies. Metallic doilies, so gold. There's only 8 mini ones. So I grabbed that. Thought it would work out. Now, I got some Hooray. My Tuesday morning was like rearranging their shelves. So anyway, I got the Hooray collection. I found 2 of the puffy stickers, $1.99, so I picked up 2. I also found a 40-piece ephemera pack, $1.99. There was only one, so I grabbed this one. I don't have that. I did grab this. There was the only one there, and this is a 12-piece dimensional stickers. So I thought that was cute, and they're still in pretty good shape. And some of them are a little loose like that. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, but that's okay. Oh yeah, it is. It's supposed to be loose. But anyway, that's what I got for the Hooray collection. I played with that collection before and I love it. I used it for Lily's challenge recently. I did find a Hooray 153 stickers. So these are great. I needed these. I wanted some of these for Lily's challenge. But yeah. And there was only one. I was actually looking for more because I would love to have more. These colors go well with some other collections, so yeah, I was hoping they would have another pack, but nope. And I think I picked this up by accident. wasn't paying attention, but these are little animal stickers, and it's also party partners. So there's 9 animals in there, but I mean, it could work, right? Animals. Okay, so now for Maggie Holmes. The Maggie Holmes collection, they had a few stuff there. Like you can see my bag is really tore up, like disgusting. But this is only $1.99. This is the Wild Heart ephemera. There's 6 vellum pieces in here. And then there's some frames and some other goodies. So I picked up that for the Maggie Holmes collection. I got some more of the mini tassels. I have one. So I picked the second one up. This is for the Gather collection. And then I saw these for, oops, my flower just popped off. I saw these, so I only picked up one because I'm not, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but that's what I got as far as Maggie Holmes. And this is the first time that they had this mini sequence in my store, well, not my store, but the store I went to. So I picked up 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I picked up 2 of the pink with the hearts in it. This one has hearts. So, heart sequence. Can you guys see that? There's right there. Those really teeny tiny hearts. And then there's also the dark pink. So like that. Very cool. And then there's the little pink. Ugh. Very cute, but now they want to stick to me. Oh. Okay. So there is that. Need to hurry up. Okay. So I got 2 of those. These were $2.29. I've never seen this one. This has flowers and stars, almost like the Galaxy collection. There's little tiny stars and flowers in here. So there you go. Oof. It wants to stick to the flower. I don't know, can you see that right there? And there's some stars right here. Okay. There's a little bit of blue in there and some hot pink, and I love it. I love it. It's super cute. So pick that up, and I'm covered in sequins now because it's static cling. Oh my goodness. But that was the first time I've seen so many options in the aisle. Here is some red and white. Let me use my pointer. And this one is just the rounded sequins. There's no other shapes. It's just red, white, and like an iridescent color in there. Okay. And this one is, let's see, what's this one called? Sequin Peppermint Tin. So this is probably from Christmas. And this one is Sequin Picnic Tin. And this one is Valentine. And this one has a different kind of collection. This is also Christmas. This is a peppermint. It has a green in it. But there's also beads, like flat back beads, which would be so fun to put. They're plastic actually. There's also white, or clear I should say. Not white, but clear. See that? Like a teardrop. And there's a touch of green holly leaves. Look. You see? Isn't that cute? Okay, so I didn't realize that was Christmas, but that's cool. I got 2 Christmas, 2 Valentines, and this one is just a picnic. It's so much fun. I would use that for Galaxy or whatever. So I'm just going to put this right up here behind you. Get it out of the way for a minute. Okay. And then the last items I picked up another chipboard Hooray collection. This one has some sequins in it. I don't recall having sequins in the previous pack, but there's 55 chipboards in here, chipboard stickers. And it doesn't say 2018. So I guess when they had it 2018, they had sequins on it. I might be wrong. I might be remembering it wrong. But I finally found some paper pads. 2. I got 2. Snow and Cocoa paper pads. I never had it for the holidays. It's only single-sided page, but it's so pretty, guys. Oh, I love that paper. I think there's 2. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, look at those snowflakes. And this is like one of my favorites. The word. So pretty, so pretty. Oh my gosh, the cutouts. Oh yes, I love it. I'm so jealous of everybody who had it. I picked up 2. So those were the only paper pads I picked up from Tuesday morning, and that is it for my haul. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.